ANF Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. With Abercrombie Fitch company, well, that's going to be the name of the day, which I have a hard time pronouncing. It kind of shifted, you know, which I would like to say it's great, you know, and I mean, yeah, technically it's a first shift. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark up the top. Only if the price does pull down and does show me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm going to be buying. But bro, what I'm not going to do is randomly start buying. I'm just saying, you know, so all I will be doing in the meantime is I'll be waiting. And, you know, what I'm going to be waiting for is hoping for the price to pull down and give me a confirmation so that I can take it up. And if no rules are met, then why the heck would I be buying? You know, that's why I will keep you updated. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and free insights. It's free.